All right then. Well, it's the 7th and final day of Jo Brand's 150-mile hell of a walk for Sport Relief, where she's attempting to go coast to coast across the country in just 7 days.
Well, we are here to serve. You might listen because we've got soul.
Or go crazy for country.
And Radio 2 can take you from fine art to...
Not to mention a ton of live music that'll make you feel like you're there.
We'll even turn you on to music documentaries.
And as much as we love music, we also love to look at the important issues of the day.
There's loads for all the families, like the 500-word story competition.
For the station with many voices. BBC Radio 2.
There's more to it.
Very good. So, Liam Green... there's a TV version of that, by the way, with pictures, which is very good. Liam on an email. My sister Claire Monaghan lives in France and makes the best tartiflette. Fantastic. If there's anything left, there won't be too long. And apparently goes back to 1700, this recipe, but anyway.
Take you from fine art to...
Not to mention a ton of live music that'll make you feel like you're there.
We'll even turn you on to music documentaries.
And as much as we love music, we also love